All right, so what Carrie and I did today is that we hired a driver. We left Canggu, and our next stop is Ubud. And so what we wanted to do is we wanted to spend some time really exploring a little bit of northern Bali that really doesn't get a lot of hype on YouTube, at least not that we've seen. And so what we did is we hired him for 10 hours. We picked out 3 separate spots that we wanted to go to. And this is the very first one. And I'll tell you what, being here early in the morning is just absolutely spectacular. There's probably maybe 20, 30 people here right now. And we really have the run of the place all to ourselves. So this is stop number 1 of 3 stops that we're going to share with you on our 10-hour adventure heading up through northern Bali. All right, so our first stop today is Danu Bratan Temple. I probably butchered that name, but I mean, we're here out with the lake in the background. The grounds out here are just absolutely immaculate. Oh my gosh, and being here first thing in the morning is the way to go. There's probably maybe a dozen people here right now, but look at this. Wow. Man, that's amazing.
That this animal eats the coffee beans, goes through his digestive system, poops it out, and then they roast it and make coffee out of it, and it's supposed to be really great.
So we're gonna try some poop coffee?
I don't think I will, but
I mean, you'll come out here, you can sit out here really for hours. If you're on your own, you're not on a tour. I mean, if you're on a tour, you're gonna be sort of rushed through. Now you can sit out here. I mean, look at these little cabanas back here, get yourself a coffee, a drink, and then you can look out at this for as long as you want. So at 9 o'clock, the buses start coming in. So get here, I say get here around 8 o'clock, or you'll never be able to get in the spot to get pictures. Wow, we hit a home run. Here's our road we're driving on. You can barely fit one car.
Yes.
Now we gotta share the road.
Yeah, we need to sing.
Hello.
Hello.
We paid 300 IDR each. It's about a 2-hour guided tour, and so this will be fun. All right, so after our little scooter adventure, we have to take a hike down to the waterfalls. You can see there's obviously some spots there that are challenging. He doesn't help me, he just helps my wife.
And this is the mangosteen fruit.
The what?
Mangosteen.
Mango skin. Ah.
Yeah. You know that one?
We know mango. I've never heard of mango skin.
No, it's different with the mango.
Steam.
Here.
All right, so now he just told us as you make this corner, this is the exercise area. 350 steps you have to go down. Are you counting, Carrie? Nope. And what a nice guide. Her husband is too busy filming and all that and not helping his wife. A little side stop here is I'll zoom in on it, and it's a big old hive of honeybees. Look at this. There. Oh, that's a steep set of stairs. So I'm not filming here. I got to pay attention. Man, and this set of stairs is even steeper. I would say 45 degrees. This is probably 70, 80 degrees steep. So be careful. All right, so he said we have a little ways to go. So let's see. Should be close, I hope. Oh, you are kidding me. Wow, look at that. So our guide took us down to Fiji waterfalls. I mean, I didn't know this place even existed. This is absolutely insane, epic. This is All right, so we just left Fiji waterfalls, which they say is about 45 meters tall. And now we're on our way over to Schuylkill waterfall, which is the tallest one, which is about 100 meters. Now, I don't know, everyone says that Schuylkill's better. I tell you, if it is, it's gonna have to be epic because Fiji was insane. Well, gotta pay attention to where I'm walking, that's for sure. Yeah, coming back out really takes a lot of work. You got some steep stairs really to deal with on your way out. Make sure you bring plenty of water, maybe a couple bananas or something, a little snack to keep you going because it is some work.
Wow.
That's a praying mantis, yeah?
I don't know. I don't think so. Beautiful though. It looks like a leaf. It's the best. I love it.
All right, babe, come on, look how smile. You did it.
I couldn't make it without this man.
Yeah.
I'm gonna marry him, Ray.
All right,
I'm gonna
good.
adopt him. I should
Ah,
adopt him.
okay.
I know it's broken.
Oh, no.
Batman the Ed Fruit. Bagi, oh shit. Wow. Oh no.
He's got cute ears.
Yeah,
That is a bat, guys. That's a bat.
Yeah, just why not have a stop here over at Twin Lakes? Might as well hold one of these in a bat. Okay. Okay. One more.
Just gentle.
Okay, I'm good. That's good. All right. Well, I hope you all enjoyed our 10-hour tour through northern Bali. Now, I'll tell you what. First things first. I've got to say kudos, hats off, whatever you want to say to our driver. He was amazing. Thank you so much for all your help, your kindness, your driving ability, which gets us through some crazy hairpin turns to get up to the waterfalls, and also to our special guide that took us down to Fiji Falls as well as Schuylkill waterfalls. You know, that was an absolute amazing day. We loved it. We hope you enjoyed it. Do not miss northern Bali while you're here touring this wonderful country. So subscribe to our channel, push the like button and notification button, and as always, we love to hear your comments and your feedback. So keep dreaming, my friends, and travel safe.